Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I am wearing for you the Pixie Mohawk unit by Outre, and I have a treat for you. I am going to be wearing the 1B, which you can clearly see here, and then I'm going to switch it up and try on the DR613 for you. So stay tuned and see how both colors look, and you tell me which you prefer. Specifications for this particular wig. So I am looking at the DR613 for this. This is the inside construction of the wig cap. We have a comb position in the front and we have one position in the back. Let's see if I can show you the length of the comb in the back, and again one in the top of the wig. You do have your adjustable band. So for both wigs, the construction of the cap is identical. Let me give you a 360 view of this particular wig in the color 1B first of all. I placed the wig on my head. Usually with these wig lines from Outre, and by the way, I'll go more into depth about the particulars of this wig, but let me give you a 360. Just remember, I'm just placing it on my head just to give you a visual of what it would look like, okay? That's your 360 view. So let's talk about the actual wig itself. So this is 100% premium human hair. So that means you can wash it, you can hot curl it if you'd like, you can put as much heat to it as you would like. It's 100% premium hair. It is pre-bumped on the ends. So actually what I did when I placed the wig on, I just kind of fluffed it up in the top. You can bring it closer inward to make that mohawk look. I placed some of the hairs behind my ears on both sides. Again, you can wash this hair, you can style it any way you like. Check the description box for all of the colors. So stay tuned and let's find out if you prefer my next color, which will be the DR613. Stay tuned. So here I am back with the DR613. And I'm gonna do the same thing as I did before with the 1B. I'm gonna give you a 360 so that you can see how this looks on all sides as well. Now, before I turn around, just know that I do have my ponytails up under the wig. So don't come for me in the comment section. We've looked at all sides. You've had an opportunity to look at both colors. In the comment section, tell me which color you prefer. Do you like the 1B or the DR613? Okay, let's talk about the specifications, or let's go into depth a little bit more about this particular wig. So again, it is from the Outre line. I do like the wig, however, there are some cons that I have. For instance, if you do not put this particular wig on a head at night, then I could see the bump actually going flat. Okay, that's a con for me because then I would have to get up the next morning and hot curl it and put a little bump in it. You may not mind that, but that is a con for me. If I'm gonna wear a wig, I don't wanna have to do some of the same things I would have to do to it as I would normally do to my own hair. Hopefully that makes sense. That's a con for me. Second thing is, I'm not sure which color I prefer. These days I am loving playing with colors without actually coloring my own hair. But for the 613, the dark root 613, I'm not sure if this shows on camera, but in the back here of this particular wig, you can almost see like there are little ridges, and I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera or not, but that's a con for me with the DR613. But I love the style. Is it big head friendly? Yes, it is. With that adjustable band, you can customize the fit to fit your head. So as a big head girl, it is friendly for me. You can dress this wig up. You know, I used a simple headband that I thought was just absolutely gorgeous. These colors are beautiful. I put some pictures that showed me wearing this. You could even tee it up with a hat as well. So thanks for joining me. And then that's the information that I wanted to share today on this particular wig by Outre. The description box so that you can find out where I purchased this wig. You'll see the cost there listed as well. So until next time, take care of each other and definitely yourself.